So you want to know what a dividend is? Well, let's get straight into it. A dividend is the distribution of a portion of a company's earnings to its shareholders. They're usually paid by larger, more established firms that have a more predictable profitability. There's a number of reasons for why a company may give dividends. For example, shareholders may want some kind of guaranteed returns as a token of appreciation from the company, or likewise it might just make the company look good. For example, if a company is known for paying out regular dividends, it will increase investor loyalty and satisfaction. But it is worth keeping tabs on a company's dividend payment history. A sudden increase in a dividend might suggest that the company is running into some kind of cash flow problems, and because of that they don't want investors to back out. At the same time, a sudden reduction in dividend payments might suggest some kind of money management problems. It's worth keeping a tab on a company's dividend payments because significant changes in it can signify a lot about a company's health. Let's say a company suddenly increases its dividend by a significant amount. This may suggest that the company is running into some kind of financial trouble and they don't want their investors to leave, so they're giving this money to kind of keep you. But that could go wrong because it's just more money going out of the accounts at the end of the day, and money leaving a business, especially a business in financial trouble, is not always the best thing. Likewise, if the dividend is suddenly significantly cut, it could suggest that the company has run into some recent cash flow problems. Consistent dividend payments is often something that companies strive to achieve. For example, you might be familiar with the Dividend aristocrats. These are S&P 500 stocks that have consistently paid dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. And likewise, you have the Dividend Kings. These are S&P 500 stocks that have consistently paid dividends for at least 50 consecutive years. So this is a big thing. It's an elite badge of royalty for dividend paying stocks. You don't want to leave the list, but you want to get on the list. It's the VIP elite club. And other countries have their own elite titles too. For example, there's the UK Dividend aristocrats as well. These are the 40 highest dividend yielding companies within the S&P Europe Broad Market Index who have paid stable or increasing dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. So there you have it. In this video we learned that a dividend is a payment that a company makes when they give some of their profits to their shareholders. We also learned that it's important to keep tabs on a company's dividend payment history because sudden significant changes, upwards or downwards, can signal a lot about a company's health. And we also learned that companies often strive to have consistent dividend payments because this can be an elite badge of honor. If you learned anything from this video, please consider smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel for more videos on entrepreneurship, personal finance and stock market education. But that's it from me. Take care and I'll see you on the other side.